How to change App Store region or country on iPhone. Need apps not available in your country? Let's change your App Store region on iPhone. So step 1, open settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. So go ahead and open up settings and then click on your Apple ID. And then once you're on your Apple ID, go to media and purchases. Click on it and then head over to view account. So click on this view account. So in here, you need to go ahead and look for your country or region and then choose change country or region. Select your new country, so for example, Japan or USA, and then agree to Apple's terms and then enter a valid payment method and billing address for that country. Some regions allow none. Confirm and save. So changing your App Store region unlocks apps from other countries but requires a valid payment method and address.